Namaste. My name is Jyotsna, and you know very well that I try to cover some interesting topics. And when it comes to Sanatan Dharma, that's my passion, to spread the right positivity of Sanatan Dharma around. And I'm very privileged to talk to a very, very wonderful person who's standing right next to me here. She has come all the way from India to USA, and where from exactly she has come, she will tell you herself. She's come with a purpose, a very pious purpose. Her name is Sridevi Ayyagari ji, and Sridevi ji, namaste. First and foremost, warm welcome to the United States of America. And I understand you have come with a purpose. First and foremost, kindly introduce yourself to our viewers.
Andarki namaskaram. This is Sridevi Ayyagari from India, Hyderabad. I've done my masters in Carnatic music, and I've been touring US last year and this year as well. I'm a devotee of Kanchi Shankaracharya Peetham, Jagadguru Shankara, Vijayendra, Saraswati, Swamy. With his blessings, I've been touring and doing Katha ganam in India as well as US, abroad as well. So my complete Kanchi Sangeetham is only dedicated to Kanchi Shankaracharya Peetham. Is what he requested me when he said yes, proceed. So 2021 he's released a CD. We have a couple of Stotras and Slokas. Karage Vasati Lakshmi starts with that and ends with Adav Devaki Devi Darpuchananam. It is Ekastoti Bhagavatam. So Pariva, Vijayendra Pariva and Shankara Vijayendra Saraswati Swamy Nama Pariva So he has these Jagadguru has choose few phrases, and those are called Nityaparayana Slokas. He has released the CD in 2021. Later, kids who are not able to talk. We have Mukha Shankaralu was written 500 slokas. So Mahaperivas decided that it is not possible to read or recite all the slokas. So we chose 31 slokas out of 500, and those are called Mukha Saram. So Namaperiva, our Periva, asked me to recite 31 slokas, and we are being giving all that particular CD or whatever it is to people who are not able to talk. So I've been into Shankaracharya's Stotras as well. He's giving a wonderful project because I asked him only one stotram. I just want to give an example of sharing some experience which I've experienced. So even I wanted something to be given through Pariva as a blessing. So when I went and asked him, he said that I'll give you. But later I got a ganam of Kanchi Shankaracharya Peetham because I just sang Stotra on his Guru, Vijayendra Pariva, Vijayam Bhagavad Padam Bharatiya Sikhamanam. The Bhari will come like this. Dehe Dehe Cha Desecha Bhaktyarogya Sukhapradam Buddha Pamara Sedyantam Sri Vijayendra Samamyam. So that sloka comes like this, and I've given Yamuna Kalyani Ragam, and he was impressed, and he's given ganam of Shankara.
Very, very, so very lucky you are. Very blessed indeed. And Sridevi Garu herself is a treasure trove of Ma Saraswati. I would say Ma Saraswati's incarnation, the blessings you are actually carrying them with you. So Sridevi Garu, out here in US, what is the purpose? You've come all the way from India, and of course being the first woman representative from the Kanchi Page, it's a very, very big honor for you. A lot of responsibility comes with you. So how are you planning to carry this responsibility and spread the message out here in the United States of America?
Sure. Rita asked me to talk on a couple of things. Dharma pracharam, like he was telling that we have to follow that at our house first, then spread across to India and US as well.
Right.
It's for everyone. It's not for my own family. So I follow that at my house.
Right.
So that's what it was.
So in fact, right now, if you could see in the background here, Ma Lalita's baby is there. Her Pratima is here. There was a very beautiful celebration at a particular home here in Morganville. Ma Lalita Sahasranamam happened first, and then Shri Ram Sita Kalyanam happened. In fact, she was accompanied by Shri Bhushanji Guru. He was also with her. So the message is, of course, you're going to different places, religious places as well, and to the particular when invitations come, there to spread this. You know, I saw how beautifully she sung the entire Sita Ram Kalyanam. Actually, there was a Katha being actually, you know, the discourse was given by Bhushanji, and Sridevi Ayyagari was actually singing the entire, you know, the storyline of the Sita Rama Kalyanam there. So of course, it was very, very mesmerizing for me, and very moved. In fact, the beauty that you carry in your voice, the charisma that you carry is amazing. So now that if you are here, like you are here for some time, what is the plan of action? Where are you planning to travel, and what is the next steps, you know, basically?
We started with Atlanta.
Right.
I had a workshop. We did a workshop on Kanchi Shankaracharya Stotras.
Right.
Right. So it is like we are trying to spread a word about Kanchi Shankaracharya because he is a Mola Guru.
Right.
So all the Stotras, I feel that each and every student or a kid should know about Kanchi Shankaracharya.
Absolutely.
And our customs and Hindu Dharma.
Absolutely.
So that's what we started with. We finished a wonderful program after the workshop, and I'm in New Jersey right now.
Very nice.
So I'll be going to other couple of places like DC, Virginia, and Pittsburgh. Beautiful. From downtown.
Right.
So I'll be finished my tour and
Right.
go back to India.
Beautiful. Now the thing is, of course, if you are aspiring to get the privilege of her pious presence at your religious institution or your place or your community, in fact, I will leave a little note behind in this video, you know, to get connected to their team so that you can invite them, honor them, and of course, being an expert of Carnatic music, I know pretty well there are music schools here. The target is to spread the positivity amongst the youth, the young generation, because that's the generation that will carry our Sanatan Dharma forward. So the whole message, today's interview with Sridevi Ayyagari is basically to spread the light, the enlightenment of Sanatan Dharma all over United States of America as of now. And I wish you all the very best for your initiative. Very, very grateful to you for doing such good work, leaving aside everything from, you know, of course you come from India, and it's not a great comfort for a person like you to be traveling, you know, when you have stationed at one of the best places in the world, that is the Kanchi Peeth, you know. So of course, to all the viewers, if you want to get in touch with her, I will leave some comments below or the note to where to connect. Otherwise, to get connected to your organization or anything you please share with that our audience, you know.
You can get my personal contact or you can reach me.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
So a small thing I would like to say is usually Jagadgurus, they are only born for doing Dharma pracharam, and they are born to spread the Hindu Dharma, Sanatana Dharma. So he's told a couple of things and he asked me to tell that. That's what I would like to share with you. Peetadhipathi is what the first topic is. Like, I request all the girls to wear bangles. I know it is usually they don't accept this. At least when you go to a temple, please put a bindi, bangles, and please do go to temple, have darshan and with traditional attire. Next thing is whoever is a Brahmin or other caste people who are into this Poonal or Upanayanam, he asked to do it at the age of 7 or 8. We welcome you to Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham also. You guys can come there and you can do Upanayanam is what Jagadguru has told. You can contact us. Jyotsna Garu will be giving the contact. Next is like, I know this is not a correct thing, but yes, whatever Jagadguru has told, I have to tell this. 22 to 24 is the maximum cutoff age for a girl to get married. So this is what Jagadguru wants, and no varna sankramanam. This is what I have to spread a word across the world. So hope you'll understand and take in a positive way.
Thank you so much, Sridevi ji. Of course, the message comes from the Guru, and of course, whoever the Guru would follow that. With this closing this short snippet of the interview, but of course carrying the light of positivity with the Sanatan Dharma, I would say Jai Shri Ram, Jai Sanatan Dharma, and thank you so much for your pious presence here, Sridevi ji.
Hyderabad Shankara, Jai Jai Shankara.